Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 to an Android device. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both devices and click on the search bar right away. From here, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Then open it. Now select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. From here, go with Receive on an Android and Send on Samsung. Now click on all of those kind of dots and choose Send in order to send all of your data. It will take some time though, so I will go into Photos category, select one of them and tap on Send. Then click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and then tap on Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on this scanning icon over here, click on while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. Then we need to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure, you can always go into some kind of Files app, click on Continue, then select, in my case, Images and look for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!